afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca Roco again. It's been a long time I haven't created my video, but because I'm not so busy anymore, I will do videos again starting today. Okay, so the first question I have here is from Michael Coop, and he asked me, or he commented, what is the reason why you cannot always run the ray tracing? Okay, that's a nice question, and there's a reason behind that. I open now this Deluxe Evo file, and I use the Deluxe Evo 11. I hope you download it and installed it in your PC. So if not, just go and download it now. Okay, so why ray tracing is not always available is because, okay, let's check. If I go to the export tab, and yes, if I go to the ray trace tab, it's not possible to ray trace this one because it says this function is not available for the fast calculation setting. So when I go to the calculation setting, it should not be in the fast mode. Okay, what is the meaning of that? So here, when you go to this setting here, set calculation, this one should be in this dot should be in the left side. Yeah, like this one. Because if you go for the fast, like for example, you want to run the calculation for only one room or one story, then you go for the fast. But if you want to open the ray trace again, you need to make sure you are in the standard calculation. Okay, so if I go to, for example, the showroom area here, and I want to ray trace something on this area, so what I need to do is just calculate it. Okay, just press the calculation tab here, and yes, let's just wait to finish it. And then because it's not in the fast mode, I'm sure we will get this ray trace mode again. Okay, so it's almost done, and there you go. I love it. Look at this one, 500 lux on the showroom. Okay, even in the story one, you can see the calculation, and it's all okay. And if I go now to my export tab, there you go. Ray trace is now open. And then you can do the ray tracing now. Say, for example, I want this view to be ray traced. Okay, just select your resolution. I want 1280 by 2720 pixels and press ray tracing. Okay, there you go. It's ray traced. And say, for example, I want to do the showroom ray tracing here. I will just go, and I don't have a glass here, so I don't know if we can get something special with the ray trace here. But since, okay, let's just do like this and start ray tracing. And there you go. Now we have ray tracing. So Michael, all you need to do is to make sure that you have the ray trace is go and do the standard calculation, not the fast. All right. So that's it for now. I will upload more videos, and I will promise finish the Udemy courses videos. Yes, I keep on promising that, but I will upload the video soon. So I'll see you again on the next video. If you have more questions or comments, just let me know. Okay? Bye.